To withdraw money from your HeyCash account, follow these steps. Accumulate points. Engage in activities like completing surveys, playing games, or finishing offers to earn points. Typically, you need to reach a minimum of 5,000 points to be eligible for withdrawal. Access the rewards section. Open the HeyCash app and navigate to the Claim Rewards section. Choose your withdrawal method. Select your preferred payout option. HeyCash offers various methods, including PayPal, bank transfer, Revolut, Venmo, gift cards. Enter required details. Provide the necessary information based on your chosen withdrawal method. For instance, if selecting PayPal, input your PayPal email address. Confirm and submit. Review your details and confirm the withdrawal request. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid delays. Await processing. After submission, your request will be processed. The time it takes to receive funds can vary based on the withdrawal method and other factors.